All right, guys, so on Desmos, on the main screen, you can click graphing calculator and then this will pop up. So looking at this example, it's an exponential function. So I clicked horizontal for the asymptote. There is no k value. So I'm going to move this asymptote up to 0 because when I don't have a k value, it is just y equals 0. Then to find my 2 points, I'm going to type this equation into delta math. So -3 parentheses 2 and then to the power of x. And it automatically graphs that on here. And you can like click and drag it if you want to. But the best way to see the table is if you click that settings button and then you click convert to table. And it will automatically pull up that table for you, which is super nice. So I'm just going to use 0, -3, and 1, -6. So here I'm going to go 0, -3, and what did I say? 1, -6. And then it does it right there. And I'll show you guys another one that does have a different asymptote. So let me find a good one. All right, so looking at this one, -2 to the power of x plus 5 minus 3. So again, this is exponential, so I'm going to change the asymptote to say horizontal. And now I do have a k value. The k value is -3 because this is -3. So I'm going to move this asymptote up to -3. And then I'm going to type this entire equation in on Desmos. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to say done and exit out of the table. And then I can type my new equation in. So I think it was -2 to the power of, and now for your exponent, when it has like x plus or minus something, you have to put the exponent in parentheses. So x plus 5, close parentheses. Okay, hang on. X plus 5, close parentheses, and then arrow over and put -3. Okay, and again, you can convert to a table and you can use the 2 points that will fit. So taking a look at this one, it only goes down to -11. So you can use -2, -11 as one of your points. -2, -11. And then the cool thing is like if you can't see any other ones that fit, you can change this number. So I can change -2 to a -3, and then it gives me that y value automatically. So you can change any of these numbers in the x, and it will automatically give you that y value, which is super, super nice. So I can also use the point -3, -7. So -3, -7. And then I should be good to submit that. And there you go. So for log ones, this is a good one. Got negative log base 3 of x plus 3 minus 1. So since it's a log function, I know that it's going to be a vertical asymptote. To figure out where the vertical asymptote goes, I'm going to take x plus 3, set it equal to 0, and solve. So x plus 3 equals 0. I would have to subtract 3 to both sides. So I would end up with x equals -3. So I would move this asymptote all the way over here to -3. And to get those 2 points again, I'm going to type this in on Desmos. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I don't need this one anymore. So negative, I already forgot it. Log base 3 of x plus 3. So when you're trying to do the log base 3, you have to click this keyboard down here and then click functions, and under miscellaneous, it's going to be this log base a. You don't want to use the regular log. You want to use this one in the middle, the log with the little a, and it gives you that little base then. So you can type the 3 in and then arrow over and put x plus 3, close the parentheses, and then put the minus 1. Okay, and there it is. And again, you can convert to a table and use your 2 points. So -2, -1, and 0, -2. So -2, -1, and 0, -2. There we go. Okay, and then I'll do one more example because I know some people were confused on problems that looked like this. So when there's no parentheses, that was a little bit confusing, and I'm sorry I didn't go over that in class. So there's no parentheses. This -6 is on the outside, so it's technically that k value. It's not that h value. So the only thing that's really inside of the log is this x. Okay, so for your asymptote, you're really only setting the x equal to 0. So that means your asymptote is just 0. Okay, so if there's really no parentheses, if it's just plain old x, then that's where your asymptote is. It's at 0. Okay, I still have to figure out 2 points, so I'm going to type this in. So negative log of 2 of x, that's the only thing that will go in parentheses, and the -6 will go outside. Okay, so negative functions, miscellaneous, this little log thing. So log base 2 of x, close the parentheses, and then put the -6. And my table, I can use 1, -6, and 2, -7. So I can use 1, -6, and 2, -7. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to watch the videos that they have attached, and don't hesitate to send me an email. You can also always sign up for office hours after school on Tuesday.